Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to exchange assets directly with other users on Telegram wallet. So for you to do that, click on this three dot icon left up corner of the screen. Once you do that, then you click on the wallet option. Once you click on the wallet option, you will give a few minutes for the wallet app to be launched in Telegram. Then you click on buy P2P market. Via the P2P market, we have two methods where you can exchange your asset directly with other users. First is you buying or you sell. So you want to buy, click on the buy option, then these are the available users that you can buy digital assets from Telegram wallet to the many of them. Person is selling. If you want to buy it, definitely this particular person is selling better account. So this person is actually selling at a rate of 1,715. Yeah, this particular person is also selling at a rate of 1,714. This person is selling online. Let's go to the top. This particular person is selling at a rate of 1,694. This person 1,690. And that is how the range, price range varies. So you can just scroll around and pick the best rate of choice. Once you do that, change payment option. So that's it. Now let's go to the second option, which is selling. So now if you want to sell, then you are the seller, then the person that wants to buy them, the person that you want to sell to will be the buyer. So once you click on the selling option, so this particular person will now be the one to buy, and this you can see this particular part. Now there's verification, there's authentication, and this particular buyers are genuine and not going to run away with your hard asset. So whenever you are ready, just scroll down and pick the best rate of choice. Once you do that, then just click on sell button. Once you click on the sell button, then this is the amount of assets you want to have available for sale. Then the buyer will just get back in touch. Then here's the payment list of method. We have bank transfer, we have Palmpay, Bank, we have GT Bank, we have Kuda Bank. Okay, this particular person also, which is creating support, is the person is this particular user is using cheaper cash. And transfer so once you're ready, just go for it. And once you're ready, patient is okay, you can perform or make the transaction, and that's it. Kindly be your phone like a follow for me.